Hello everyone, welcome to SHRIHARI'S In this video, we will see how to download a new text editor which is more user friendly than the previous one which was Sublime Text. So let's get started by not wasting more time. In the previous video, we had seen how to download the Sublime Text 3 text editor and MinGW C++ compiler, and also seen two other points which were create a file named C language in which all our programming exe file will be saved, and also how to create a extension file on Sublime Text. So these 2 points are the same for our today's video also, which are how to download Notepad++ text editor, which is another text editor which is a basically user-friendly text editor. Sublime Text 3 is a bit complicated text editor in which all options are not available. Notepad++ has all options. And we will see a new GCC compiler which is TDM. These 2 points, which is third and fourth point of our previous video, are same for today's video. So now let's start by downloading the Notepad++. For this we need to go to Google and type Notepad++ Windows 10. First option, we will enter the website of Notepad++, then download, select option download. The first one, which is a new updated version of Notepad++, we will download the same. So now our exe file is getting downloaded for Notepad++. So now our exe file is downloaded. We will open it. A small window to select the language will appear on the screen. I will select English. You can choose as per your convenience. Now next, then agree the license agreement and then select the file location if you want. Choose components. Let it be the same as it is default. Now we will create a shortcut on desktop, then install, then finish. So we have successfully installed and downloaded the Notepad++. After you press finish button on Notepad+ window, you will receive a message like this. These are the instructions which will be useful for you while coding, and all other details about Notepad++ are given in this, so you can refer this. And now we will download TDM GCC compiler. For that we will go to Google again and type TDM GCC compiler. The first option which appears on your screen from source4ge.net, click on it and then download it. So now after the TDM GCC compiler is downloaded, we will go to download section in Google, and now we will click on show in folder. We will right click on it and we will select run as administrator. So now a pop-up window will appear like this. I'll click on manage. So first we need to unselect the bottom line, which is check for updated files on the TDM GCC server. We need to click on manage installation directory. I have created a file for TDM GCC compiler, and then next we need to install it. So TDM GCC compiler is successfully installed. Now we will click next and finish it. So we have completed our 2 steps successfully, and for this text editor I will show you how to add a new file with extension. Now we will go back. So here is our Notepad++. For new file, simply just click on this file button which is on the left hand up corner and click on new. Now to save it, again click on file and click on save as, and after you select save as, give the file name. I will give it hello1 and extension of .c, which is C programming extension. Now we will save it in our C language file. save. So we have saved the file with extension in our new text editor. I think so you won't have any problem now with a new text editor, and we are good to go for programming, right? So in next video we will see how to program in this text editor for printing hello. So if you like the video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe my channel. So thank you for watching. Have a nice day.